Sir?
When did your mother say she was coming back?
Next week, Bami.
What do you mean next week?
It is not me. It is what she said.
Shut up! How can she come back next week? What does she mean? Who will do all that she has to do here? Who will take care of her children? Look, why did she say she was staying that late? Am I not talking to you? What is wrong with your mouth? If you don't remove that mouth to talk to me, I beg you for it.
Sorry, sir.
Nonsense. Why did your mother decide to extend the permission I gave to her without permission?
Mommy, I don't know.
You know! You know! Because the two of you work out things together. You plan things together. So you know.
Baby, she didn't tell me.
Alright. Okay, let me tell you. If she does not come back to this house today, or latest tomorrow evening, you will see what I'm going to do to you. Nonsense. Now go and get me something to eat.
Mommy, Mommy the third is cooking.
No, it is your mother's week in the kitchen. See, so go and find me something to eat.
Yes, sir.